You can get filtered water, you can get cold water, you can get warm water, and then you can get boiling hot water.
Since getting a hot tap, I used the kettle a couple of times because I kept forgetting that I had the hot tap. But once I remembered I had the hot tap, then I haven't used it since. I think the best use of it is when I'm boiling pasta or rice or boiling potatoes.
I didn't realise just how much I was using a kettle, which is really inefficient, until we had the hot tap. Little things like you go to make some instant gravy, or you go to put water on the hob, say to boil some beans or potatoes, and if it's already heated, it cooks in no time.
I'm saving energy not boiling potatoes from cold water or not boiling pasta from cold water. I like the filtered water on the tap, so it's nice to have filtered water.
If you put the filtered water on and you forget to turn it off, it actually stays on for 30 seconds in case you're wasting water.
If you use a coffee machine, putting distilled water into the back of it means you're never going to have to descale it. So that's been a massive bonus as well. I've not had to even think about descaling the coffee machine.
No, the hot tap, the way that you have to pull it on, it's hard for little kids to do that.
You still need to press it down for safety and then pull it, so it's actually very safe.
So the kids can't accidentally just turn the hot tap on while they're turning the tap on.
I was pulling the hot water button for my tea. I was just like, what's happening? It's not turning on. And then I realised that I had to push it down and then turn it.
So yeah, from a safety point of view, it's not an issue.
As long as we knew the dimensions ahead of time, we gave that to InSinkErator, we were able to know straight off whether or not it's going to fit and whether or not we're going to have any space left for other things. And actually, there's plenty of space left for all the other things that we used to put in there.
It's much easier than having to get the kettle out the drawer, putting our plug in it in and pouring it and waiting for like 2 minutes. Now you just
get your mug, press a button, there's your hot water.
It's actually quite amazing how they get 4 features in one little pipe. But don't worry about technical things like that. It just works. That's great.